Hello guys, I'm Madam Equal with the CEO of Rudy Organics. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, I'm creating this channel because I want to teach you guys on natural medicines, how to use roots, herbs, all those things to treat yourself. Also with organic skincare, how to take care of your skin with organic materials. So I hope you guys are going to like, subscribe and share my video to others who are in need of natural medicines to take care of yourself, and also those who need to take care of their skin naturally. You know, these too much chemical products that we put on our body, at least they have too much side effects. So if you want to use natural products, organic products to take care of your skin, just subscribe to my video, share my video, like it, and you will not regret doing that. So in this channel, I'm going to teach you people how to use natural medicines to treat yourself. Yeah, anything that you're sick of, be it malaria, typhoid, hepatitis B, HIV, everything. I'm going to teach you people how to use natural medicines to treat yourself at home, that you will not be spending too much money again in the hospital because of illnesses. I'm also going to teach you how you can mix your rubbing oil, anything that you want to use on your skin, how you can use normal things that we use inside the kitchen and other stuff that even though you buy in the market, but it's not that expensive, to take care of your skin, that you will be shining and glowing. From hepatitis B, hypertension, diabetes, malaria, typhoid, pile, HIV, AIDS, cancer, to name any illness. Or you have skin issues like sunburn, stretch mark, dark patches on your face, dark knuckles, everything. Yeah, just contact me. Joint pains, waist pain, any pain on your body, pile, hepatitis B, kidney, liver, all those illnesses, even infertility in both male and female, like low sperm count, sperm motility, azoospermia, in women, fibroids, cyst menstruation, all those illnesses, anything that concerns infertility in both men and women, for those who don't ovulate, their treatment is here, everything. It's not only those who are sick that are supposed to take medication. Everybody needs to take it, because you are supposed to clean your system, you are supposed to revive your system. Yeah, so there is treatment medicine for everybody, whether sick or not. You still contact me for medicine. I'm not working alone, I work with a team. Yeah, here is Manuel Steven, my herbs researcher and general engineer. He's the one who enters inside the forest and bring out all the herbs that we need for our production, for our herbal production. And also, this is Esunge Claudette, my personal assistant, the one who takes care of everything in my absence. When I'm not around, she's the one in charge. Tristar Entertainment, the camera prophet, the one who takes care of all the videos, and also the social media influencer. So I hope you're going to support us by subscribing to our channel, watch our videos, and share the link also to those who are in need of natural medicines, also those who are suffering from any skin problem.